The Apple iPhone 17 Pro is shaping up to be a major leap in mobile photography, with fresh rumors suggesting that both the iPhone 17 Pro and iPhone 17 Pro Max will feature three 48-megapixel cameras for the first time ever, including a groundbreaking upgrade to the telephoto lens. This is not just about more megapixels. It's about real-world improvements that could change how iPhones shoot portraits. Unlike the current iPhone 16 Pro, which combines a 48MP main and ultra-wide with a 12MP telephoto, the upcoming iPhone 17 Pro series is expected to upgrade all three lenses to 48MP. But that's just the beginning. According to trusted leaker Majimbu official, the telephoto lens is receiving a major revamp beyond resolution. Apple may opt for a new sensor with an 85mm equivalent focal length, compared to the 120mm lens on the iPhone 16 Pro. While that drops optical zoom from 5x to 3.5x, it's actually a big win for portrait lovers. Why? Because 85mm lenses are considered the sweet spot for portrait photography, offering natural compression and flattering subject focus. That's not all. The new lens is said to be significantly brighter, which means better low-light performance and reduced noise in darker environments, likely thanks to a wider aperture than the current f/2.8. What's more, this camera may support lossless digital zoom up to 160mm equivalent, providing more flexibility without sacrificing image quality, much like how the iPhone 16 Pro's main camera achieves clean 2x zoom. And let's not forget the added benefit of higher resolution. Those 48MP images give photographers more freedom to crop their shots without losing detail, which is perfect for editing on the go or capturing distant moments with clarity. If all this proves true, Apple is taking a bold step to turn the iPhone 17 Pro into a powerhouse for mobile creatives. The shift from focusing only on zoom to offering smarter, brighter, and more flexible portrait performance shows Apple's understanding of what users actually need. It's less about raw zoom numbers and more about real usability. And with the official reveal likely coming in September 2025, excitement is already building around how these changes will impact professional and casual photography alike. Will this camera finally make the iPhone 17 Pro the ultimate portrait tool in your pocket? Only time will tell, but things are definitely looking promising. Until Apple confirms the leaks, it's smart to take things with a grain of salt, but the sources have been reliable before, so there's a strong chance these upgrades are coming. We'll keep tracking every leak, rumor, and official announcement leading up to the big reveal. For all the latest on Apple, tech, and mobile photography, don't forget to subscribe to TechVerse.